next one. Okay. Oh, Venus is Aries Ingress, April 30th, 10:16 a.m. PT. And that, all of a sudden, we get Venus's lovely, beautifying, sparkling energy coming into the sign of the head and eyes. Well, Venus is nice for Aries. Aries is not nice for Venus. How does that work? Remember, Aries is Venus's detriment. So Venus can make the eyes or hair more beautiful for some people, soothes pain. If you're having neural pains in your head, Venus usually, you'll notice a sudden relaxation of those if it's neural pain. Now, however, Venus herself, it also can help dry out mucus if you've been having too much mucus it helps relieve that lymphatic clogging because it's leaving its most lymphatic sign, Pisces, getting off the North Node. People will be very affectionate, wanting to socialize or get out of the dark dungeon they've been in with their loneliness in Pisces, and all of a sudden they feel a little more active here. It's very visual. People will want to be taking photographs and seeing things, and it's very wanting to dance. It's a degree of mime, curiously, I know the two greatest mimes in history, Marcel Marceau and Charlie Chaplin, who also started their own films. They both were born on 0 Aries. And then I met a woman who was born on 0 Aries, and she had an Aries moon, and she was a mime and started a dance troupe.
Wow.
And okay, this is the degree of gesticulative dancing without speech. And but so Venus, though, the copper levels can go down, estrogen levels can go down, mucus levels can go down. Sometimes people get a little drier.
Detriment, right? Because it's in Mars-ruled sign, but also the sign of her detriment.
Yes. So that's why, like all of a sudden, if Venus goes into Aries and the person suddenly comes down with anemia, well, then, it's copper related because copper supports iron. Or if they suddenly get heart palpitations, you want to look to copper going real low. I actually solved a case with this. Copper going real low will disturb the thyroid and cause heart palpitations. And actually was able to see a case. Now, the 0 degree Aries does just stimulate the adrenals and also the pituitary a bit. There's often some hormonal shifts around this time, but generally it's a fairly sharing experience. If a person, however, is having kidney problems, it's not that great, but either was Pisces. All right. Do we have any more slides, Melissa?
That's...
that's it.